Hi, everyone. I wanted to share with you the resources for our 7-day group that you can access through our Body app. If you haven't already, you can put the Body app on your phone, your iPad, your smart TV. It can be on multiple devices, and your login is your email and your password. Once you have your app, you're going to open it up. And I think the easiest thing to do is to click the search icon and type in clean week. Once you type that in, the program will come up for you. You'll want to click on it. And this is where you're going to find all of your on demand resources for our week together. There's a start here section, which goes through the program, and you get to meet Megan Davies, who's going to be our trainer. She's wonderful. Then you can click into workouts, and you're going to see everything is all set up for you. There is zero guesswork. And you guys, this is for all fitness levels. You can see it's low impact. The time on them is just around the 30-minute mark. You have a recipe section and program materials. And I wanted to jump quickly into program materials. You can surely take a look at the Clean Week Quick Start Guide before Monday, but I wanted to open the meal planner for you. This is an incredible document. You can absolutely print it out if you would like to. But basically, it gives you a quick figure out in terms of which meal plan you're on. It gives you a sample menu. And then, you guys, you have every single one of the recipes that you need right here at your fingertips. It makes it really easy. I've even gone to the grocery store and opened up my meal plan and literally shopped right from there. So I wanted to make sure you guys had access to your program to start on Monday and had a little bit of time to explore and check things out. And of course, if you've got questions, please ask.